Hi students, I wanted to make you a short video to just talk about the rest of the semester. So here's our calendar, and you can see that on Monday you have a homework that's due. It's a homework that will have you look at health insurance. Please leave yourself enough time to complete it because you do have to go online and put in some numbers, and it takes a little bit of time. And then you have a quiz talking about health consumerism. The following week, you only have one unit. It's on environmental health, and there's a quiz. But you have the first part of your final that you'll start on the 21st. And I will send you a separate video that gives you more information on how to complete this. But that will be something that's due on the 21st. And then we'll have our final on the 23rd and the 24th. And again, I will leave the final open for you to take any time, the 23rd or the 24th. I will be grading your journals in the next few days. It might take me a little while because they take a little while to read through, so bear with me. Please let me know if you have any questions.